Hello students, this is exercise 7.5, the first 3 questions. So, I will solve these 3 questions. You can solve the rest of the one word question in the similar concept. See, basically to solve this exercise, we are going to use the concept what we have learned in the last 3 or 4 exercise. Look at the first question. CSA of a cone. We have to find the CSA of the first one. We have to find the CSA of a cone. Height is, so this is the cone. We have to find CSA. Height of the cone. Height is 15. Diameter. The diameter is 16, D is equal to 16, so R is equal to half of the diameter 8. So, CSA formula, CSA is equal to, CSA of a cone is by R L. So, pi radius into 8 into L we have to find. L is equal to square root of h square plus R square. So, 15 square plus 8 square, because height is 15, radius is 8. So, 15 15s are 225, 8 8s are 64. So, 225 plus 64, 289. So, now we have to find the square root of 289. How to find the square root of 289? 289. 1 is 1, balance 1, 89, 2. We are doing the long division. You are all familiar with the long division, how to do it. So, 1 2 is 2. So, 121 is 21. You can use it 7. 7 7s are 49, balance 4. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So, this is 17. So, this is 17 square is equal to 17. So, 17. So, then 8 17s are, we have to multiply, then we have to 8 into 17, how much? We have to find pi centimeter square. So, 8 into 17, you will do it. 7 8s are 56, balance 5, 188, 8 plus 5, 136 pi centimeter square. So, the answer for the first one is option 4, it is in your textbook. Then look at the second one, 2 solid hemisphere. This is second question, 2 solid hemisphere. So, this is one hemisphere, this is another hemisphere of base radius r, both the base radius are r, both the base radius of both the hemispheres are joined together. If we join together, what will be? It will be a, if we join, it becomes a sphere. Okay. So, with the radius r, with radius r. So, now find the CSA. So, the new solid becomes the new solid, CSA of a new solid. The new solid is, if we join 2 hemisphere, it becomes a sphere of a, therefore, CSA of a sphere is pi r square, not a CSA, TSA, surface area, all these things are same only for sphere. Okay. So, 4 pi r square, this is the answer for the second one. Then look at the third one, look at the third question. Third question, height of the cone we have to find h. Radius of the cone is 5 and the slant height is 13. So, already we know the formula. L is equal to h square plus r square. We can use this formula, otherwise we can use h is equal to square root of L square minus r square. The same formula only we are using there. So, h is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. So, 13 13s are 169 minus 5 5s are 25. So, 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the height of the cone. So, the very simple way. Similarly, we have to solve all the problem which are given in the exercise 7.5.